When a judge has to correct lawyers, dismiss cases, call out sloppy paperwork, deny desperate bond requests, and restart a plea deal all in the same hour, you know this courtroom isn't running on patience, it's running on fumes. And today, every second felt like an explosion waiting to happen.
All right, what I will do in this case is I will set the defendant's bond at 10,000 cash surety at this juncture. And we'll see you on the 15th. Thank you. Court calls case People versus Brandon Clement.
Good morning, Your Honor. J. Latif, BAIG, P36820, appearing on behalf of Mr. Clement and his attorney, William Amadio. He asked me to step in today. State your name for the record.
Brian J. Clement.
All right. What are we doing?
All right. Well, today's the day for a probable cause conference. At this time, Your Honor, I'm going to ask for a 30-day adjournment for mitigation purposes. Mr. Clement, we're going to have him assessed, and currently he's also attending AA. We request
Get him assessed.
about 30 days, if Your Honor would so order.
So is it going to take him 30 days to get him assessed? I guess that's what I'm.
That was his first opening to see me. The guy that getting my assessment.
I'm sorry.
That was his first opening to see me. Was his just get the assessment.
Any response from the people?
Your Honor, right now, there's not an offer given the history and the allegations, and I did say to this counsel that if there wasn't an offer, it would depend on what documentation they could provide as far as treatment plans. So,
Got it. I see. Okay. Is he on a tether?
I have a sober link.
You have a sober link? Okay. All right. I'll adjourn it to June 5th.
9 o'clock?
June 5th, 2025, 9 a.m. or as your invite indicates. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court does call the case People versus Troy Swope.
defendant, on behalf of Mr. Troy Swopes. Mr. Swopes, state your name for the record, please.
Troy Swope.
So, Your Honor, we are requesting that this matter be set for preliminary examination. I know the court is going to ask us if discovery is complete. We do not have.
Gee, really? How
Yeah.
would you know that?
You know, we do not have the video in this matter yet. However, this case has been going on for quite some time now. If the court is aware, Mr. Swope was remanded at his last hearing due to a community corrections violation. Ms. Douglas states that she's working on trying to see if there is video to even submit. I really do not want to just adjourn this matter out and then.
Okay, that's fine, but if you get to exam and the video comes in and you have a problem with the video or the like, or think that you're not going to get an adjournment because you don't have it.
I understand that, Your Honor.
You understand that, Mr. Swope?
Yes, Your Honor.
The hearing begins with a small confusion. The plea form doesn't even match the charges. The judge looks at the paperwork, irritated, and says what everyone's thinking. You could have handwritten it. Anywhere would have been better than nowhere. Even the defense jokes they're rusty, and the judge fires back, ready to keep the docket moving.
Will be set. Would everybody be ready to go on the 20th? May 20th, 2025, 9 a.m. That's before Judge Moore. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor. Okay. I'm gonna.
Court calls case People versus Jeffrey Moore.
Oh, Andrew Banis for the people, excuse me.
But he may not go.
Assistant Public Defender Ben Benoith on behalf of Mr. Moore, who is standing to my right. Would you state your name for the record, sir?
Jeffrey Moore?
All right, what are we doing?
And Mr. Moore, we're going to set this for exam, right?
Yeah.
And we'd like an exam, Your Honor.
Discovery is complete.
Yes, Your Honor.
People have their witnesses available the 20th.
We'll do our best, Jim.
Preliminary examination, May 20th, 2025, 9 a.m. It's in person before Judge Barr. Bond will continue. Thank you.
Thank you.
Court calls case of the People versus Megan Moses.
Good afternoon, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Kearney on behalf of Ms. Moses. Ms. Moses, please state your name for the record.
Megan Moses.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we're here for a PCC. We are asking.
Why does it keep telling me?
It gives me a second to get my brain to catch up.
All right, that's all right. I don't know why everybody keeps telling me. But
Your Honor, we're requesting an adjournment. I did speak with Mr. Banis and there has been an offer made. I just would like some more time to speak with Ms. Moses regarding that offer. And I'd also like to address bond. I don't want you to lock her up, Your Honor. I said, I don't want you to lock her up, Your Honor. But
really?
she, really.
Okay.
But she is on a tether. She was released from Washington County Jail on a GPS tether. We are asking for the removal of that tether. Ms. Moses was in custody here for 25 days. Now that she's released, she's trying to get back to work. This is a large financial burden on her, as well as she's trying to pay the restitution on this case. I did speak with Mr. Banis and he doesn't have an objection to it being removed. So that is my request today of the court.
Why was it put on in the first place?
I believe she failed to appear at a PCC.
I did
And
request. Oh, sorry.
I'm thinking what she may be saying is that she was, when she failed to appear, she did try to get in touch with our office and was living in Jackson without transportation here. She was unable to get in touch for a Zoom request. But and then was, I believe, were you picked up or did you turn yourself in, Ms. Moses?
I was picked up.
And then was here for 25 days and then.
Why was she picked up? What was she
I was
doing?
picked up in Jackson County. That's where I live. And then transported.
What, they just came and got you?
No, I took care of the count here. It was a retail fraud here in Jackson.
So I'm understanding. What, you went to court in Jackson County, had the warrant here, and they took you into custody?
Correct.
Oh. Okay.
So she's coming to court, Your Honor. And she's here today.
I also am using a bike for transportation, and it's really hard to get around without having it on. It's hard in general. I'm not trying to avoid or not have accountability for what I need to. I honestly am just doing my best.
I put her on GPS just this past month, or in April,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
That was after modifying her bond.
Right.
Yes.
The bond, I was here I went to Washington County originally, and they gave me a court date for which I was not able to obtain a Zoom for or get a ride to. Now that I am able to get the Zoom, I am able to make it. And also I have transportation where I have support and people who can take me to and from if I need to make a physical appearance.
Said there is likely to be a resolution. So what I'll do is I'll move it up a week. I'll set this for the 15th. You guys figure it out. I'm not gonna change the bond condition. I'll leave the GPS in place, but I move it up a week.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
I thought it did. Yeah, the 15th.
Okay, thank you.
Court calls the case People versus Jeffrey McCullough.
Andrew Banish.
The recall.
Christopher Quinn, appearing on, call it.
Kevin, also on behalf of story call on the case ending in 5631.
Jeff McCullough, Your Honor.
McCullough, can you state your name, please?
Jeff McCullough, sorry about the technical difficulty.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's Mr. Douche's fault.
Oh,
All right. All right. What are we doing?
Your Honor, on my case, there is an offer by prosecution to plead to count 2, dismiss count 1, and we are going to be taking that offer today.
On the 5631 case?
Yes, Your Honor, and I have the.
What are we doing on the other case?
We're just going to need another day to get, need a modification of our offer. And the prosecutor is going to look into whether he can modify our offer. There's,
On that case, Your Honor, our office made an offer. Counsel has, the counsel I told him, can't do that today, but possibly a conditional adjournment.
Probable cause conference in that matter then will be May 22nd, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue in that case.
And I want to state, Your Honor, I did sign it with his permission and wanted him to say it on the record.
That you signed the advice of rights with his permission
Yes, Your Honor.
and went through it with him.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. McCullough, can you raise your right hand, please, sir? Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
State your name again for the record, please, sir.
Jeff McCullough.
All right, sir, it is this court's understanding that you are going to be pleading guilty to the charge of disorderly person. Is that correct?
Yes,
That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 90 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
yes, Your Honor.
You understand also, sir, that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge and you would be sentenced before Judge Perry in the 15th District Court.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Understanding all of that, do you still wish to plead guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, Your Honor.
You had given permission to sign an advice of rights form, is that correct?
That's correct.
Do you have any question regarding any of those rights?
No, Your Honor.
Please look at paragraph 5 on that form if you have a copy. You
Okay.
understand that under paragraph 5, those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand you're waiving or giving up those rights.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No, Your Honor.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily
Yes.
of your own free will
Yes, sir.
because you believe that you're guilty of this offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
October 13, 2022, at the location of the 300 block of East William Street, City of Ann Arbor, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan. What happened that makes you think that you were a disorderly person on that day?
You know, I was intoxicated on I was intoxicated in that area of not complying with the law enforcement.
Say that last part again.
I was intoxicated in that area, not complying with law enforcement.
Okay. And I guess we can do it this way. And in being intoxicated in the way that you were acting, you endangered or put in jeopardy property of others and or
Yes,
other
Your
persons?
Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Counsel, have I complied with the court rule and would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
People are satisfied, thank you.
Defense is so satisfied, Your Honor. Thank you.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count two. Count one is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 15th District Court probation. Sentencing in this matter will be June 6, 2025, 8:30 before Judge Perry. Bond will continue.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
Court does call the case, People versus Emily Bates.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pable on behalf of Ms. Bates, who appears via Zoom. Ma'am, can you please unmute and state your name for the record?
Hello, I'm Emily Bates. Good morning.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, sorry, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor. I'm standing in for Ms. Perny. It is my understanding that Ms. Bates recently underwent a substance use as well as a mental health assessment, and she would like to get that documentation to our office to provide to the people. So we'd be requesting an adjournment for that to happen.
I need a green sheet, but without objection, May 22nd, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bond continue. Thank you. Court does call the case, People versus Ryan Lee Patterson.
And that was Warren Green on behalf of Mr. Patterson.
State your name, Ryan.
Ryan Lee Patterson.
Thank you. Your Honor, I executed a green sheet in this matter. I'm asking for an adjournment as long as the court can accommodate. I spoke with Mr. Ward. There's some discovery exchange that needs to take place. We want to negotiate and to make sure everything's squared away before we move forward on this matter.
That's correct, Your Honor. Mr. Warren Green did reach out to me. There are some questions he has regarding the autopsy in this case. I am to assist in a possible meeting with the medical examiner.
How long is that going to take you? You're going to move this along.
Your Honor, I know you don't like me picking dates.
You're right, but you're about to try to do that, aren't you?
Can I give you 2 dates? Your Honor, I think by June 2nd, we'd have done what we need to have done.
Probable cause conference, June 5th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.